A cancer diagnosis is terrifying enough, but then comes treatment side effects that can rock your world. One of the most dramatic changes linked to chemotherapy: hair loss. New technology was approved in the U.S., hoping to save patients' locks. I was able to sit down today with a brave woman fighting cancer right here in Greenville. She shares her story and explains how cutting her hair was one of the defining moments of her journey so far.
Several people have asked, I just don't know how you're doing it. 2 small children, and the Lord dealt these cards to us, and you just have to play what you're given.
In June, Christy Sutton was dealt a tough hand.
She was very direct to the point and said, well, it's cancer. And I don't remember a whole lot after that.
It was stage 3C breast cancer. She knew right away that she would fight the disease, which would include surgery, chemotherapy, and radiation. Like most women receiving chemo, Christy knew her hair was on the line. She decided early on to cut her hair and made it into a family affair. But when the chair spun around after the final snip,
I don't know, it's one of those moments that you won't ever forget.
After some tears and a trip to a wig store, Christy decided to just keep going.
You don't expect that, but you accept it.
Some new technology is allowing women fighting breast cancer to keep their hair. The FDA approved the Digny caps on Tuesday, which chill the scalps while patients receive their treatment. The new machines will likely take some time to roll out, but other personalized caps are available now. As for Christy Sutton, she plans to fight and win her battle with cancer, with or without her hair.
If you sit around and worry and have the pity party, yeah, it's going to be a negative experience, but if you take it for what it is and realize that it's not a death sentence and it doesn't have to be a death sentence, and you move forward with every day that you do have, it makes it so much easier to take and to live and to move on.
Now, Christy says her goal is to encourage others in their fight against cancer and to help inform people of their options. For more information on Christy's battle and the technology and resources available, we'll have those on our website for you at WNCT.com after our newscast, so make sure to join us there.